Okay, January 17th or 16th, 2022, first hit snow like this in 2 years. Remember, this is where I always will take my videos of this rain. There's how thick the snow is. We're going to stick our measuring tape down there. There's a ruler. Shit. There's a yardstick, a ruler. That's only 12 inches. We still got to go up. Do the next best thing. Tape measure. Be right back. Can't find my boots to get over there. Take a measurement. But you can see there's a ruler, 12 inches. I'd say about 17 inches. Look at that table. There's the back door. There's the stand on the back shelf or on the back deck. About 17 inches. Back out front again. Official reading was 17 inches. My neighbor Joe just came over, plowed out my sidewalk with their snow blower. There's the roads. Still snowing. Let me get back in the house. I'm freezing.